All right, boys and girls. Today we got a 2009 Hummer with the code of a P0449. We're gonna go take the canister off, see if that solves our problem. The evap canister. Let's see. It's right here. You gotta take the spare tire off. Take off this 13 millimeter. Take off this 13 milli. And then I already unhooked these lines. I'm just showing you guys. But these ones, you gotta take that one and this one, which are located in the box. Right there goes a big one, and right here goes a small. What you have to do, I came in from the bottom and I opened this like that, and then took the screwdriver and opened it like that, pulled it out a little bit, and it came out. Same with this one. Those little teeth, we pry them up a little and pull out at the same time. This one doesn't have to come out. The code that I had was a P0449. It said it was a vent valve circuit. Could be either one of three things: gas cap, or the purge valve in the front, or this canister back here. My problem is when I go to pump gas, the pump is stopping, and I have to keep tapping the lever for me to get gas in. Okay. Problem here is I'm gonna change this. I had just set it up there so I can show you how to get it out of there where it was located at. But this tab right here, where's my screwdriver? I'll show the truck off. This tab, you have to pry it up a little bit, like that, and then scoot forward. All right, how are you? Thank you. Let me see. I can't see. Just slide it forward. It's kind of stuck. Like that. And then this is how you take the hoses off in there. Like this. Just push on this lever down in. Alright. So I took that off. The part number for this canister. Now, I noticed this is the difference. The connectors. You see how this one's square, the new one's square, and that one's oval. So you will have to buy this piece. That's the part number. Made in good old Mexico. This is my other baby right here. Look at that. Anyway. Same clip on, so all you gotta do is just slide that on.